Did you know that Abyaneh is one of the oldest continuously inhabited villages in Iran, with a history spanning over 1,500 years? Imagine a hidden village nestled in the mountains where time seems to stand still. A village painted entirely in red, where the walls tell stories of over 1,000 years. Welcome to Abyaneh, one of the oldest villages in Iran and a photographer's dream. In this video, I'll take you on an unforgettable journey through Abyaneh, its mesmerizing red houses, local culture, and unique souvenirs. Stay with me to discover why this village is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Welcome to Diako Travel Channel. Today, we're exploring Abyaneh, a village where time stands still and every corner tells a story. Join me as we uncover its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Let's dive in. As I step into Abyaneh, I'm immediately struck by the unique red brick houses that line the narrow alleys. The color comes from the rich iron oxide in the soil, giving the village a warm, fiery glow, especially under the sun. The architecture is a blend of traditional Persian and Islamic styles, with wooden balconies and intricate carvings adorning the buildings. Walking through the village feels like stepping back in time. The locals, dressed in traditional clothing, greet me with warm smiles. Their attire, especially the women's colorful headscarves and men's wide-leg pants, adds to the village's charm. The air is crisp, and the scent of fresh herbs and spices fills the streets. Abyaneh is not just a village, it's a living museum. The history here is palpable. The village has been continuously inhabited for over 1,500 years, and the locals have preserved their customs and traditions. The main occupation of the people is agriculture and animal husbandry, with a focus on cultivating fruits like apples, plums, and apricots. The village is also known for its handicrafts, including hand-woven carpets, kilims, and traditional footwear called ghadiri. These crafts are not just souvenirs, they are a testament to the skill and artistry of the people. One of the most fascinating aspects of Abyaneh is its unique dialect. The locals speak a form of Persian that is distinct from standard Farsi, influenced by the region's history and isolation. This dialect, along with the traditional music and dance, reflects the rich cultural heritage of the village. The village is home to several historical sites. The Jame Mosque, dating back to the 11th century, is renowned for its intricate tilework and wooden minbar. The Atashkadeh, fire temple, a remnant of the Zoroastrian era, is another significant site. The Imamzadeh Yahya Shrine, with its beautiful architecture and serene atmosphere, is a place of pilgrimage for many. Abyaneh is located in the Isfahan province, approximately 38 kilometers northwest of Natanz, at the foot of Mount Karkas. The village sits at an elevation of about 2,160 meters above sea level, giving it a cool and temperate climate. The journey to Abyaneh is an adventure in itself. From Isfahan, it's a 2-hour drive, and from Kashan, it's about 3 hours. The road winds through picturesque landscapes, offering views of mountains, deserts, and traditional Persian gardens. The red color of the houses is not just for aesthetic appeal, it has practical reasons. The red hue comes from the rich iron oxide in the soil, which is abundant in the region. This natural pigment gives the village its distinctive appearance and also helps in protecting the buildings from the harsh climate. As I explore the village, I can't help but notice the vibrant markets. The locals sell a variety of handmade goods, from colorful textiles to intricate jewelry. The aroma of freshly baked bread and traditional sweets fills the air. I decide to try some local delicacies, including lava shak, fruit leather, koloche, a type of cookie, and doo, a yogurt-based drink. These treats are not only delicious, but also a reflection of the village's culinary traditions. The daily life in Abyaneh revolves around agriculture, handicrafts, and maintaining the village's cultural heritage. The community is tight-knit, with families living in the same houses for generations. The elders pass down stories and traditions to the younger ones, ensuring that the rich history of Abyaneh is preserved. If you're enjoying this journey through Abyaneh, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Diako Travel channel. Your support helps me bring more amazing places like this to you. After a day of exploration, I find a local restaurant with a beautiful outdoor setting. The ambiance is serene, with the sound of traditional music playing softly in the background. I order a traditional Persian meal, and as I savor the flavors, I reflect on the day's experiences, the warmth of the people, the beauty of the village, and the rich history make Abyaneh a place that stays with you long after you've left. For photography enthusiasts, Abyaneh offers countless opportunities. The interplay of light and shadow on the red houses, the traditional attire of the locals, and the stunning natural backdrop make it a photographer's paradise. Whether you're capturing the intricate details of the architecture or the candid moments of daily life, Abyaneh provides a canvas like no other.
خدا بیامرز که نه ولی خب بنده خدا من نذاشتم بیاد. آره دوست داره بیاد انشالله که بیاد.
Also, check out my playlist on the stunning sights of Shiraz and Isfahan. It's filled with beautiful and historic locations you won't want to miss. Until next time, safe travels.
عزیزم اشتباه کرد بابا خم میخوای بگردی برو تهران